Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm going to share with you how I was able to use this Moringa hair mask on her hair and how I was able to wash her hair with those braids. Now let's get started with this video. I already made a video of how I made this hair mask. I will put it down in the description box or link it on the screen. I'm gonna start off with putting this hair mask on her scalp and massaging her scalp. Please be careful because this can get messy. Then I'm gonna move on to the part of her braids that has her ends. Sometimes we forget to put the hair mask on her ends, but this part of the braid also have her hair and her ends, which is really important. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friends, family, or anyone you know. If you watched the video of how I made this hair mask, you will know that I mentioned specifically that I wanted to make this hair mask to be a little watery, a little liquidy, and the reason is because my plan was to put this on her hair while in these braids. So because this hair mask is a little bit watery, a little bit liquidy, it will be easy for me to put it on those braids, so I don't have to worry about mask sticking up around her braids when I'm ready to wash it off. So now that it's watering and liquidy, this makes it easy for me to put it on and also to take it off while washing her hair. Now all I'm doing here is just putting the hair mask on her hair, making sure I cover every part of her hair, massaging her scalp, and making sure I also put around her ends. Sometimes we forget that the ends are there on the braids too, so I'm making sure to put it everywhere and massaging her scalp. Let me know in the comment below if you ever use hair mask on your hair or your kids' hair while in braids. Now I'm just gonna let her sit with it for 20 to 30 minutes. Because she has low porosity hair, I will put some heat on it to help open up her cuticles. It's been 30 minutes now. Now we are going to rinse out her hair. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to massage her scalp. Next, I'm going to rinse out the hair mask. Because her hair is in braids, I'm going to have to put a lot of water to make sure that I rinse out the hair mask very well. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. Next, I'm going to get this hydrating shampoo and shampoo her hair. Because her hair are in braids, I'm going to make sure to go between each braid to make sure that I really wash out all the hair mask and making sure that her hair gets clean. Now I have to make sure to rinse out the shampoo very well. So I have to put a lot of water because her hair is in braid. It definitely needs a lot of water to make sure I go through her hair and taking out all the shampoo. The next thing I will do is to deep condition her hair. I got this deep conditioner on Amazon. If I don't forget, I will put the link in the description box. I really like this deep conditioner, especially for her low porosity hair. So with the deep conditioner, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put around her hair, and I'm gonna make sure I put between each braid and massaging her scalp when I'm putting it. Also making sure to put on her ends, making sure not to forget that her ends are between those braids too. So making sure I'm putting all over her scalp, all over her ends. As you can see, product really sits on her hair instead of going in because she has low porosity hair. This is why I always make sure to add some kind of heat on her hair to help open up her cuticle. I'm actually thinking to invest in buying a steamer. Then I'm gonna let her sit with it for about 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we are back here to rinse out her hair. But before that, I will massage her scalp to help stimulate hair growth. Then I will make sure to rinse out her hair very well. This is our last step of this wash day, so I want to make sure that her hair is all clean. So I'm going to put as much water as possible, get her hair hydrated, put it as much water possible on her hair, even let her play in the water with her hair out, doing whatever she wants in the top. So this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.